Hey crew, excited to say we have a new car to the channel today, the DRC 9000E. We're gonna unbox it, go over initial setup, we're gonna launch it off our ramp, we're gonna hit the skateboard park. If you feel you'd like to buy this car, please check out the link in the description below, as well as the promotional code. Enjoy.
It's upside down. Okay, so there's some other components here. Looks like a cover for a case for my sunglasses. Doesn't it, Bendo?
Yeah,
I won't tease you too bad. Let's pull it out at least while we talk about everything that comes in the box. All right, so other than what you're seeing in front of us, we also have the manual. And for me, I know what I love about a good manual, hopefully, is the exploded view that basically aids us in all repairs, especially trying to find parts. I have no idea what the availability would be like for the parts here. Bonus, there is a significant exploded view. A huge tool, basically makes a crappy manual to a good manual. All screws, full layout. So this is so great. Oh, check it out. It's a brush to do a little post cleanup. Here's our charger, box wrench, which is huge. That's within the pouch. Now also we have two batteries, and they are, notice they're not lipos, they are lithium ion, 7.4 volt, 15 mAh lithium ion with Dean's connectors. So it looks like we'll be able to charge just through the balance port and use regular USB style power. There's two of them, mind you. We'll double the runtime, charge one while you're running one, etc. You get the drift. A better look at what's inside the bag. I thought this is really cool of DRC to add some, these are needed components or things that go missing often. So the hexes, those are huge. And then even notice that the pins alongside that reside on the axle inside the hex, they give us extra pins as well. These are the wheel nuts. And as I mentioned earlier, these are the shoulder screws, the stand-offs for the shocks. Nice of them to think of us for that. And just extra body clips. Now I will mention that the body clips on the body themselves are really neat. They have these tethers, which make it a little more difficult to lose them in the grass or when you're taking them off in the field, when you're RCing, when you're bashing. So you can see that there's a wire hooked up, and this whole racing stripe actually illuminates on top as well. And that you'll notice that the wire is connected to the ESC. Wow, this is really unique. This is so cool. It's the actual body that is lit up. I'm really liking that. That is pretty neat, man. My kids are gonna love that. How do the shocks feel, Bendo? So the suspension are friction type shocks.
very easy to go up and down, mind you.
They are not oil filled. How about the tires, Bennett?
Supple.
Supple. They do. They feel really good. I suspect there isn't any foams in them. So to put the battery in, you'll notice the Dean's connector right here. Now there's this little tab here, 1
And
2. And now the door will open, and you'll see a little port, little cutout here, sorry, right here, for the actual cabling of the battery. And that's where your lithium ion fits in. So it's actually a cool design. You'll notice, much like other hobby grade RC cars, we have 4-wheel diff. I like the light plastic chassis. Always allows for a lot of flex. We have some metal drive shafts, which are great. But our drive cups are plastic. So I'm curious to see how they will hold up. Definitely be interesting to find out. Once you connect the battery to your car, I always prop it in the air, just in the event that it runs away on you, and to prevent injury in any way. So if I turn on my transmitter, it's flashing, likely because the car is not on yet and doesn't receive the signal. Turn the car on, the light goes solid. So here you can see I'm adjusting the steering trim. So it's working. We have a speed switch. This is great. This is great for beginners or running with kids. I have young kids. I'm often gauging the speed for them and reducing the speed, so this is ideal for me. All right, do we have proportional steering? And we do. What I mean by that is the steering turning as I turn the controller? It's not just on or off per se. So this is great. So this is minimized. Now 100%. We have the DRC 9000E added to the channel today. We're excited to play with it. Everybody's first question is how fast is it? So that's what we're gonna do first today. Stick around and enjoy. Okay, first run. Here I come, Bendo. Don't hit my phone. This thing's fun. 15 flat. 15 miles an hour. Not bad at all. Oh! Oh no! Son of a gun. That's all right, still works. Here, that's for you. Maybe it'll fly better. Nice. Oh! Oh, nice. Here we go. Oh, nice. I noticed the rear springs, they work really well. The rears are softer than the fronts, and you know what? That's, oh! That's typically how I run my cars too. Nice. All right, big one, big one. Yes! Whoa. Got some traction on the grass. Nice, towards me. Nice. All right, big one, big one. Yes. Yeah, try to hit me. Oh, good try. Peg that big one. Yeah. Oh, did a wheelie. Oh, thread the needle. Whoa. I should note that he's landing on throttle, which typically I wouldn't let him do, but obviously we haven't stripped any dips yet, and then it pops into a wheelie, so like, it's a ton of fun. Nail it! Yeah! Nice job! Really nice. Yeah! Yeah! Loves the smooth texture. Look at this thing. Yeah. All right, see if we can handle it coming at me. Yes. Guys, keep in mind, if you want to buy this truck, definitely look in the description below. It's got great speed. You may think, you know, I would like something a little faster perhaps, but keep in mind that when you get faster vehicles, you get more breakages. Yeah! My goodness, this thing retails for 120 bucks Canadian. How are you gonna beat this? I'm stranger to these beginner entry-level cars, but like, whoa! All right, we lost a chunk of the body. My goodness, all this concrete. Let's hope so, right? Big deal. Still runs, still having fun. This is cool. There she comes. This is the same. Whoa! Look at this thing. Even rips through the grass quite well. Whoa!
To extend your Philly Bee experience, hit the link in the end screen and be greatly appreciated if you hit the thumbs up, click on that like button. Peace.